Matt Trucks here, the PlasticHull.net, Delaware Paddle Sports, and Torqedo Fishing Team. Did a really impressive Ultralight 403 install on the Caribbean 14 FS. Up here we have the Select Designs True Course foot braces for steering, foot control steering. As we step back, we have our up-down line run through a climb cleat, track mounted with extra track for additional accessories. On the opposite side, we have the lock line, same situation. As we come back, yak tack tie downs on track to keep the line out of where the customer wants to install the rod holders flush mount in the future. Coming back here, custom built starboard mounting plate, custom built for the Caribbean. Relocated the handle from these points here on top of the plate, and then there is a backing plate underneath here that sandwiches this boat together because it's thermoform and it flexes a bit more and you just don't want it to crack. The bracket, the Torqedo bracket, is mounted to gear track via T-bolts and knobs, and it makes it completely removable for accessing this drain plug if the boat needs to be drained in the future, or just removing the plate for just those days to paddle. Steering lines are tubed and plumbed through the hull, and they come out up here just before the foot brace. There's these little ridges, both actually up here and in the back, which seemed like the location to drill from. So overall, great install. It was fun to work on it. And if you need a Caribbean with a Torqedo installed, give us a call at Delaware Paddle Sports or visit DelawarePaddlesports.com. Thank you.